It's Luis Martin, the art engineer, and we are doing a special pay-per-click vlog. It's BYOM, bring your own music. Why? Because it's too much work to get the music up here and the Wi-Fi is horrible. No. I also want to know what music you listen to when you collage, and I'm wondering if it's easier if I have no music while I collage with you. So you let me know. I will bring music next time because I need it, but I want to hear what you are listening to. So we're still in Mexico and it's hot, and we're gonna roll with the punches. This is special because I have my husband with me on this one. Hello, who's behind the camera?
Hello, it's Elvis.
Hi Elvis, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. That's enough of that. So I have some material here, and look what I found. So whenever you travel, please go to the little stores, go to the little flea markets, and see what you find. I haven't been able to do that because I've been really busy, but we did find these. Check this out. They're like little glittery hole puncher thingies that you put in piñatas, or you just, I don't know what you do with them, but they're beautiful, and I'm gonna incorporate them in my collage today. So let's see what we have. So let's get started. So I have this guy that I got from my in-flight, it's the in-flight magazine, and it had all these stars. So let's get to work. So music is so important to me. I'm really excited about what you listen to, because I know you probably do not listen to the music that I listen to. And I just realized I don't have my CD, but it's okay. We will work with what we have. So I wanted to do a circle here, but now, because I don't have that, I'm gonna do a square. And see, when you work with the punches, it'll take you new places. So don't trip out. I'm not tripping out. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. So I'm super dyslexic, and I've learned that the better you roll with the punches, when you have misspellings or when you write a number backwards, you say, well, that's just how it came out. And that's why I'm not an engineer, that's why I'm an art engineer, and that's why I'm an artist. So work with your strengths. All right, see, beautiful, a square, like what? Okay. And of course I have my substrate here, and check that out. I mean, so again, working with your limitations. I don't like science issue, so this is the perfect spot to start working my collage from, right? So let's go here. This is an amazing magazine that they print out here. It's on archaeology in Mexico, so they have tons of beautiful imagery, tons of beautiful Mayan artifacts, Aztec artifacts. Look at that. I mean, wow. Can we take a second for this? So I'm buying a bunch, and I'm putting some pages into our next collage kit as soon as we get to the States. And this is gonna be in the July kit. So you have some time to become a member. Everything about this is just incredible. You don't even need to know the words because it's in Spanish, but I mean, how moving is this? Check this out. He's like a flying guy. Isn't that crazy? All right. I can look at these forever. So I'm just looking for one image that I can build my collage, like, so if this looks familiar, if you're in the States, Tim Burton was inspired by a lot of Mesoamerican art. So this looks just like straight out of Nightmare Before Christmas. He was inspired, he took it, but he did good with it, right? Okay, so let me not be here forever. So what happens when there is no music? I start singing in my head. And what am I singing in my head? Maria. I'll spare you. This is gorgeous. Okay, I might have to work with this. So this is some kind of stela, right? Stela, Stella, Stella. So let me see what I can do with this. Oh, this might be really simple collage actually, if I want to incorporate these little glittery circles. The thing about things that sparkle is that you can't have too much of it or else it just looks cheap. So because it's like sensational, you either use a little bit or you use a lot. So what else is there, you might ask? Well, there is a middle, and that middle is not fun. So Can you hear the people working next door? There's so much construction. It's a renaissance, my friends. It's a renaissance. So I had wanted to start it this way, but what if it goes this way? I mean, come on. Okay, so that is like a collage already. I'm gonna marry this position and just go with it. So I'm not gonna promise anything, but I would like to send some of these in the kits. Again, 1 or 2 go a long way because you don't wanna overdo it. And maybe I'll overdo it just for this. So what can we do with these? We can do anything with these, right? We can create a grid. And it's fun when you mix and match colors, right? Oh no, that's like the stop, go. Didn't like that. Ta-da! Don't like that. Oops. That's a little bit more fun. So see, something starts happening here. Or, how fun is it to overlap them? So sky's the limit. Oh, I really like this actually. This is gonna be kind of crazy to adhere, but I think I have a little trick I can use. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so what is my little trick that I can use? I can engineer something. If you have tape, let's use it. This isn't the best tape. So what I can do is I can use this tape to create my little strip, right? What would you be listening to right now, Elvis? What kind of music do you like?
For me, it will have to be pop.
Oh,
How
pop.
unfortunate.
You do you. You do you. Ignore my glare of shame. No, I'm kidding. Good for you. And you're a dancer. Of course you like pop. Okay, see how that happened? So easy. So what's happening? I'm sweating, so I know I'm doing something right. So we'll do the other side.
It does get hot here in Merida.
Just a little. So I just released a podcast episode, and sometimes I do essays and sometimes I do interviews. Usually I do interviews, but this time it's an essay, and it's called Go to the places that give you wings. And this is a place that gives me wings. Take a listen to it. Let me know what you think. It's a heavy episode, but it's a light episode. Heavy because it talks about the realities of being POC in the United States. But it's a light episode because I found my wings. Oh, check that out. How cool is that? Okay, so I really like this. I'm gonna marry this. It's super cosmic, right? So I like that I can see Elvis's face through the little mirrors.
Oh, you're right. I can see myself now.
Isn't that scary? And then I think after this, see, this is super sophisticated. I love it, but I think I need one more thing to make it like accessible. What do I mean by that? So sometimes like art that's super simple is kind of, a little bit more, I don't know, conceptual, academic, and people need something more to grasp onto. So this could be enough, but I'm thinking maybe one more image. So see, I said I wanted to go crazy or light with these things, and I'm kind of in the middle. So that's why I think I need something else. So I'm gonna put these little guys to the side and look at my magazine. All right, so this was that Vogue that I was like, but let's see if it offers anything. Maria. I've actually never really seen West Side Story from beginning to end. Something about
What
it.
scene do you always like seeing?
I get it confused with It's a Wonderful Life. They don't fall into a pool in this one, right? Right? That's in A Wonderful Life?
No, I think it's this one.
Is it?
No.
I don't know. The thing is, and this was my problem with this magazine, you know, Natalie Wood could have gotten a real Puerto Rican actress. It's just a bit much. But at any rate, I thought I saw a pretty hand. That's what I'll do. This is it. So I really hope I don't sweat on this paper, you guys, because I look like this, kind of. I was gonna say I look like this woman, but not really. But okay, let's go. So please, in your comments, let me know, what are you listening to? I have a great YouTube friend, Matt, and he sends me the most amazing suggestions of music to listen to, and I really appreciate it, because I love listening to new music all the time. Especially love sad music. You know, and I was thinking about it this morning because we were listening to really sad music as we ate breakfast. I like sad music because it cries for me. I'm not sad anymore. I don't have any tears to cry. So I just appreciate the sadness of, I don't know, the familiarness of it. It lulls me. All right, I think this is what we need. I just love hands. And this is like a double hand.
I was gonna say, I thought you were going for the gold hands.
Yeah, but then I thought, well, look at this. This is like a hand within a hand. How perfect is that? Okay, let me get my little... Woof. Okay, this is cool. It's too big. So this is magic. I mean, maybe we don't even need, oh, there it is. So, you know, when you have your collage, play with it and play with positioning. What happens if I put it behind here? What happens if I nestle it? That's hideous. What happens if I put it here? So I like it. What message is it sending? Which is a good question to ask yourself when you're making this. It's kind of like, stop, this is holy information, not for everybody. There it is. Okay, and notice this. See how this line aligns with the crease of the fingers? That is what we're looking for. These little moments of alignment is what we're looking for. Isn't that great? Little moments of alignment. So I'm gonna go ahead and marry that. And I think that will be our collage today. Yep, I absolutely love this. Voila, that is our collage today, and I am so hot and really happy that we got to do this together. This is Luis Martin. Listen to the podcast on Studio Confessions. Go to the places that give you wings. Find them, they're there, and when you're there, you'll flourish and have light. Let me know what you were listening to, because I was listening to the West Side Story soundtrack. It's that hot. I'm delirious. Anyway, well, thank you, Elvis, for holding the camera on this special vlog.
And this hot special vlog.
Love you. Bye.